view this stream right now, or regardless of where you go watch the recorded stream. This is now Coastal Capital, and we turn on for Coastal Capital JVAN FX right here on YouTube. Alright, so today on Friday, the week done, the pack up. Before we go into the analysis for today, for against to next week too, let me check quickly. Waiting we get today for event news. Alright, so today we don't get much. Now just this medium impact one on the US dollar, and I don't think they go act much. So far now waiting we get for here be this, and we check as usual. Okay, make sure I don't forget also risk disclaimer: trade according to your strategy. This no be investment stream advice. Okay, this place inside Coastal Capital for here now strictly weekly analysis, direction, and probably trade opportunities, entries based on your strategy. Alright, based on your strategy. That is what now waiting this stream they all about. Alright, so to my humble traders all around the continent of Akebulan, alright, referred to as Africa. Okay, I hope say so far that they enjoy the analysis we are they share with you, and they see some things where they impactful when they try apply to ourselves. So in case you never subscribe, make una try more than subscribe, and more than share with our friends and other persons we get interest for this. Alright, look, we see before we go which currency pair they strong right now. So far now, New Zealand is strong. You see for here so plus 37.39%, followed by the Australian dollar plus 24%, and the one way the week so far now US dollar minus 28, followed by the yen minus 27, right, and then followed by the pounds so far. So wait till we get this for here. So now we could go inside the market sharply today on Friday. We're gonna waste time. Where we did. Okay, this one a market structure trade. Extension, the green line, extension, retracement, extension. Take the trade and stop loss goes below the previous pattern traded, which is right here. Target 142. So I see the hot AUD card still there for consolidation. So far the market all sell for the week. Sell yesterday massively to this level, and caught the pull go up this month yesterday as the market opened for my side, and it really did pull up massively. This is a real beautiful buy here for the 4 hour time frame. Nice buy. See, nice buy. Market contests demand area, so we get demand zone here with the market contest where so they see. So right, so market buy, I believe say the market will go for somewhere this area, in my own personal humble opinion, right? Because now consolidation, so the market supports here, right? So this now for some of them we don't know how to draw supply and demand zone. Maybe not just follow me through, right? Okay, and make I not confuse myself with this stuff. Let me make a change. Oh, may I use you? Alright, so right now, after this big move will happen, this small sideways movement and this big move happened since when the market come down here, now hopefully the market will go up here too. But so far the short-term trend inside the consolidation movements are down. Okay, we'll find that properly because it is very important. This now the previous higher low, and this now the hopefully we'll see what will be the numbers. So this one now 87.27.5, 87.27.3. So this one will be the low, right? So we get, well, it don't really matter, right? Because consolidation will just break all lows and highs. Excuse me. Consolidation will break all lows and highs. Because sometimes not like that we need to do. Alright, so we get lower low here, lower high here, and the lower low. So even if the market for any reason can't decide to go up here, like go all the way up, take this high out, it no matter. Demand zone, supply zone they here. So I expect this supply zone to hold. You get, I expect them to hold well, but that one are waiting I expect to, but for me say the market if you do waiting in like the market if you do waiting in like, but I expect that to hold. Okay, so we'll see as the market will play out in the future. Okay. Alright, so the consolidation long term now here the market go, and then hopefully if you reach this level for me I will sell from here because already I don't miss this sell from here. So I hope say you go reach here, give me candlestick signals, then I will sell from here. AUDCHF, waiting we get. So this one I will be for next week. Okay, that trade will be hopefully for next week because as they go, so I don't think say that market go reverse today at all the way the people, well, unpredictable things they happen for inside the market. So far we get short-term downtrend for here. Now the market crown. Why? Because the market make higher highs. So they see for here lower lows, lower high, lower lows, and higher high. So crown. The market I don't come level of this area and demand zone for here back in time. Like this. Oh, not be that one. Not here. So the market don't really test that demand zone properly. Yeah, I use the wick and the body of the candle as my demand zone. Okay, so I see the B for here, so that's what I expect the market will actually reach, but market not reach. The market tests inefficiency for here, this candle body, and the market tests that area, and now it don't buy, they go up, which for me it be logical for us say they buy like that. Now for here we get demand supply rather for here as the market they go down back in time. So this week overlap this week for me. Now my supply area be that all right for here. So long term I expect price to pull up to this level to test this area So right now, demand is in control, and at the CCA, this, maybe don't forget structure breaking here, like this. Okay. Oh, that's daily, right? Text. Short-term downtrend, break of the short-term downtrend, lower high. Maybe that text this one like this, and then you change, maybe white it could be. All right, like you. Okay, coordinates 13. Maybe that. See also. So market break and close high. It makes sense, make the market retrace. So if you sabi to attack the market like this back at time, when this candle closed yesterday for the smaller time frame, you go down to buy the market. You see also. So trend line in place for the 4-hour time frame. So lower lows, lower high. This one not supposed to be for here, because this one break, okay, lower lows, lower high, lower lows here, and the break with these two from here we go. Number 4, coordinates 13 is balanced. Alright, here you go. Orange and pink, like this. So now for the 4-hour time frame, the market come imbalance area. Imbalance and demand right here, right? See, so we test out for that place, and it makes sense. Make the market do it, make it begin to buy from here. They go all the way up, So we have higher highs from here, and hopefully higher low, because now here the lower high day, so the market don't break down, go up, don't come retrace inside demand. So from here now, all the way up. And again, market structure. As a matter of fact, now this one a market where I need to buy for my own self. Yes. So what do I have here? 50K. Alright. So buy for me. Stop loss, market structure. And where is the demand zone? The SC risk 142. Here we go. But this is now 1 for 1, you know, reach 1 for 2. Okay, let's go 666. Close this one. Yeah. So that's my own trade based on my own strategy. I'm not doing this for you. This one not be for you. This one are for me. When I not trade this market based on my own style, when I trade that according to my own style, I get. So here I go. It's not up to 1 to 2. For 2, there you go, and shift you. Oh, beautiful. Alright, so this now another trade market structure for me. right? And the candlestick pattern. Yeah, I got bullish engulfing here. So this one my own thing share. So for me, this one I still buy. Even next week we'll see. And you don't need to show for here, just here. When we see the daily, how the daily they go. So I can say expect the market to go up, right, to all the way to this area here. But so far the CCA, we get resistance for this area here, but it doesn't matter. Market don't break through. All right, so I expect nothing more. Market push go all the way up. By next week, hopefully we'll see how the market will play out. And AUD, JPY. AUD, JPY. Here we go. So AUD, JPY on the for inside the daily market structure now down. Short-term trend now up. I see the B for here, as we see for here, so yellow line, right? So we get for this level we get supply. Hopefully I expect them to reach here before it go down, because long term for me, long term based on monthly bands direction, market sell. So all this area here in the monthly band areas, from this level here, all of this like this, the monthly band area for sell. And we get the short-term trend, this one, this popular here, lower low, lower high, and lower low, right? So this now weak inner structure, weak lower high, lower low. So even if the market break up, as we see for here now, so we will not say the market will break up already like this. I get. So if you're not careful, you would feel say, oh, this market now buy, not be any buy anything. And then also we get inside bar for here where the market break. You see, Abi, man, check very well. No, this one high, it is higher than this one. So you know mesh. You don't meet the criteria for inside bar. Nothing meter for cross check, triple check. Check the eyes. Yeah, this one at 32, this one at 43. Alright, so anyways, the market don't break the weak low, weak lower high right here, and hopefully this one come from where? It come from week daily. You're not supposed to do for weekly. But anyways, it be like saying that the market go reach and go reverse. And back in time for the weekly time frame, the market retrace come this level. This one a demand and supply zone for here back it out the weekly time frame. That one make the supply they in control of the market, which means the bears are in control of the market. See the market not here. So anyhow, the market still retrace all the way to this supply zone area, right? The market still reverse go all the way. You see this sharp move where happened back in time. Sellers, those big players print this candle, right? So normally the market supposed normally sometimes will retrace before it will drop. But since it not happen like that, for me, excuse me, the sellers now then they in control of the market at that time, right? So as they go, as they happen like this now, so right now, I see the market don't create another level of demand here like this. Alright, for here, so we'll see how the market will play out so far. But so far the market will buy, and if the market stay like this, if it stay like this, then make we prepare ourselves for sell next week if this candle close like this, because if the candle close like this, na spinning top for key level of resistance. And I get key level of resistance, we see market reject for here back in time, like this week na rejection of price going down, and now price don't come there. So it will make sense for here we would look for, and you see market to reject for here too, see for this level here, market reject for here. After this breakout from here, market try to go up multiple times for here, 1, 2 for here, and now it don't come back here to this level again. So market reject for here, right? But we'll see how it will go now. As we see, so when it reach here, as you say the market do it, it drop. Maybe go do double top before we see price drop. And we will not forget also we get supply and demand day here, and demand zone be this one. It there everywhere. If we look closely, they did for everywhere. So market breakout this huge candle, and the market not test, and before it push go up, so that will make buyers they in control of the market back in time, But now price don't break, you see. Okay, now for here the market moves sideways before it break out. So hopefully by the time the market go, they sell. This area will be profit targeting. So but next week we'll see. We'll have to wait for see how the candle will close for this week. It will determine how we want to trade the market next week. Whether we still want to buy from here go up, or better still we want wait make the market reach here before we sell, or we see candlestick signals and sell the market for the smaller time frame. Because for the 4-hour time frame for here, I see say the trend don't change. You know, see, so the trend don't change for here, because downtrend for here, and then the market go up from this level. It break this high, or sorry, this high here. So it give us a higher high like this, give us higher low for here, and it give us higher high here, higher low here, higher high here, higher low here, and like that they go up. See, so and then we get this one for here like this, and finally make this beautiful higher high here. Alright, I don't spend much time for this. And now what will you see? What will you see for here? We see from here, we see lower low here, and lower high here, and lower low. And to our greatest surprise, the market also don't make high. The high never confirm finish. You see, so market don't make high. So this pattern for here, it is dangerous to buy out. Yeah, if you ask me, that one is my own personal humble opinion. And then we get demand zone here, and the market they trade inside the demand zone right now, and it don't go out of the demand zone. So it makes sense. The higher time frame controls price action and price movement. So for me, it makes sense when the market continue to the buy, right, from this area here, because even from here, this slight demand zone here, no, from the wick to the body of the candle like this, the market never test here. So we get demand and demand. So buyers are in control. Price they push to go up. Hopefully, me I would like make the market reach this area here before I sell. So that one are my own take. I don't want to spend time then. We'll move forward sharply. Time no day. And then so far, market don't reach AUD card. Market don't reach demand. I mean supply. Sometimes they miss this thing, and as you reach that supply zone, so switching happens. So the market creates bearish engulfing. But before it create that bearish engulfing, the market creates this bearish candlestick pattern, spinning top, the red one, this one, spinning top, then finally bullish, then bearish engulfing. That's a signal for sell. So for this junction, we get demand. For here we get inefficiency. All right. So for me, I would expect price to fall down to this place next week. So hopefully, next week movements, would like to see markets, push out from and begin to drop by next week. But so far, now waiting at the CBDs and the trend now up. Right? We don't forget it. The short-term trend so far now up. So we get for here higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So after a high, a low must come. So I expect market to drop to this level. Weekly time frame, so long term, and also the see as the market hits here, so it just begin to drop immediately because we get supply. We get supply for here. So this make I adjust, and well, this one are from the daily. Not supposed to for weekly, so I have to draw the weekly on like this. There we go. And see, as the market reach that supply zone, see, push good and come here. If the market close like this, down and pin bar, nice, better movement for sell. Alright, so me, I would expect price to drop for here, where I get this demand area here for weekly, hopefully next week. Because the short-term trend, we get 50% down, we get 25% here, and 25%. That's 50% for market to sell, right? Because the short-term trend, higher highs, this blue line, higher lows, higher high. So the market don't terminate time. So from here to here, a lower low. So I believe the market just only pull back to go, extreme, go deep retracement. So from here, I expect them to drop by next week, hopefully. We'll see how the market will play out for inside this one. Alright, so far now waiting I get with this. Now I'll go for AUD USD. May I see what I will achieve for the remaining small time will remain. At least I don't get much time, I guess like 37 minutes, maybe 38 or so. And for here, AUD USD, week monthly time frame AUD USD in a sell. Yes, because the short term trend as you see for here, so this guy now down. Short term trend are down. So this one I just say market pull go back for this level. We get supply here. So the market play come inside supply on the monthly time frame. Quickly. So from this, I expect them to begin to go all the way down. Hopefully next week. Already done the sell. See next week comes. Even this week self gone. The market self drop. So alpha. And the market drop. Hanging man, this one now sell signal. This candle. The market make higher highs. So after a high, a low must come. For me, my own personal humble opinion, right? After a high, a low must come. And now the high with this, right? Market make a high, and now hanging man candlestick pattern. This one inverted hammer for key level of resistance. So this one too won't create another hanging man. So the most important thing as long as all the hanging man, the next candle we go to come out, they close below ram, the market will continue to the drop. And daily, so what to make the market buy when he buy as he buy, no doubt it is easy to understand. The market come for a level of what? Big demand zone here. So the market come test this demand here on the daily, right? You see inefficiency, imbalance, test time, test demand, and it makes sense say they buy this week. Today rather, because so far I said don't sell, and we can't buy today, but no sweat. The market for me I still sell. All right, 4 hour time frame. So for here we get for 4 hour time frame we get demand don't break, right? Demand don't break. It makes sense say the demand break. As the demand break like that, so now previously we trend up for the 4 hour time frame, but now trend or shift. The market make higher high here, this green line. Now with the trend or shift, I will draw them again from here like this all the way to this level. So this one might be the lower we get for the 50% lower upcoming down short-term trend. All right, 50% market don't make lower from here. So bad at all. The market fees still play around. Maybe we get this supply here. If you decide to play around this supply here, if you decide to play around supply here, we also get another one, this beautiful one here back in time. If the market come here, I want to see candlestick signal to sell the market from here. Right, that one I'm personal number. So next week we'll see how the market will play out. But so far the market sell nicely. If you don't make these profits back in time for inside this market, man, I don't know your strategy, but you need to work on your strategy. My own personal humble opinion, right? CAD CHF market is high consolidation for 4 hour time frame. For me, I still the wait. I would like to see the market come out, break out a little bit, then sell. So I go sell out from the smaller time frame. But so far, I predicted the sell for the week, and so far the market is sell. The sell, so you sell, and then consolidation daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here, the market go up, and so it become resistance. And expect them to go up further. And if the consolidation will still continue, then the market will do it. It will drop. But once it reach here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I expect them to drop down to this level before we look for buys further to the upside. Alright, so far, now waiting I get with this. So I still look for sell. Buy next week. Now get. Alright, so no time to waste time. CAD JPY Alpha, so far the market still keep buying. So although the market is for resistance here, resistance now. So waiting gonna happen next week. Waiting gonna happen. We don't know yet. We don't really know. But so far the market, I try to figure out that supply zone for here. I don't see them for the weekly. Maybe I will see them for the daily. Yeah. So we get even this one. So we get that. Daily here, the market they reject. So you reject for here back in time, right? Supply zone 9. Don't come back or text time again. Hopefully one more time. Because long term, based on the monthly bands, the market they go all the way down to support monthly band area. Long term. Okay, so here we did. So let me see again in the weekly time frame. I'd expect a pullback. If you ask me, I'd expect the market to drop. So as it be for here, now the weekly supply area now be that. So the market will test and you see, so the market will drop, go down gradually. Abi. On the daily, on the other hand, yeah, market they move sideways. So if I thought the market would sell, hopefully in the nearest future, I would expect two things to happen. Now we get inside bar for here, this candle, right? I get this one and this. So we close for inside this candle body. Arami candlestick signal pattern. These two Arami, they change, they switch trend to the opposite direction. Now be that. So me and expectant to market break below RAM or break above. If you break above, market will continue to buy. If you break below RAM, retest, market will sell. So I will wait to see how I go play out for that one like that. So maybe these two for the 4 hour time frame. But the 4 hour time frame too will happen. You get you know. So now the smaller time frame will take confirm if the higher time frame go move. You understand? So for me, waiting I will watch out for you. Inside this sideways we get resistant support. So maybe the market won't go up here, right? But I don't go want to see and break go up. I would like to see and create candlestick signal pattern to sell. I'm waiting I go wait to see by next week. So for now, this market, based on what I see on the weekly time frame, this now the short-term trend, this yellow line, the short-term trend now buy. Okay, now buy. And after a high, a low must come, but we don't know how far. On the monthly time frame, the short-term trend are down, we get lower low, slower high, lower low, and then hopefully the market only come to test this level of so we get down here, we get down there, supply area here, hopefully go push up, then it go begin go down, because already it don't reach almost extreme retracement. Now it don't go, so I expect them to just push up a little bit, test up, or maybe from here will begin to reject. I will cash them for the 4 hour time frame. CHF, the market still didn't buy for so whatever reason. I don't know what they happen with these two countries with their trade agreements, whatever is going on. Yeah, just hands out. Me and a hands out. Bearish engulfing. So we get the market tests here. So we get, may I see supply there here, demand. Alright, to get one here, week, they like to use the wick and the body of the candle. This candle, wick and the body, and we get the same thing too for here. So the market never tap into that area, and also we get imbalance from daily. So we get imbalance, the market don't test the imbalance area, the push go up, right? And we get imbalance, massive one, and we get demand for here. So back in time, we get let's see, yeah, that one now waiting. Now supply area, market breakout and retest, switch test, still they play around for there. So we will see price action, sell, pull back, right? Now pull back might be this, because the market no break the low. So now valid range. So once the market take out this low for here like this, we'll expect price to do it, to continue to fall, because this is not Arami candlestick pattern consolidation, these two for key level. So waiting, I would like to see make the market eventually come close body candle here, retest, and then continue to drop. Hopefully we'll see if this one will happen in the future. Euro AUD. So Euro AUD for me, Euro AUD, I get supply here, the market will kiss on for there, and as you see, say it would price a close below the 21 moving average here. So all those weak rejection, right? Hopefully we'll see how this will play out, because I expect, say, and again I get lower lows here, all right? Market don't break this, you know, structure. So this one could be like this. Okay, support, and change to blue. So now break of short-term uptrend higher low, maybe that. Okay, for here. So the market don't break out, and then we get supply. The market don't test supply, so I expect further drop to the downside as a retracement, right? And then weekly, need to take these lines off. I'm done with it. From the weekly time frame perspective, I get this beautiful, nicely back in time. I get this supply, right? I mean demand, Get this demand zone. The market test time can push go up, and now the market also come test this level. We are consider probably on the monthly time frame as supply area, and then we get resistance here. So the market create evening star. The market create this candlestick pattern, evening star. Okay, 1, 2, 3, the evening star. Then for a valid evening star, the market has to go to retest that area, and now it don't retest them. You see, so this on its own, I see supply for here. I see supply here, like this. Excuse me. Right, weekly, and the market reached that area. So now it don't begin to pull the golden, right? So I'd expect the market to come back here. Here too, we get demand back in time for here. We get demand here. We get inefficiency. The inefficiency one, although the market tapped into that inefficiency for here, that is imbalance. You know, market traded into this candle body, but you not test the demand before it go up, right? So I expect price to drop down here very soon. Hopefully next week we'll see how that one will play out. So for me, I expect pullback, sell next week. So they see for here, lower lows, lower high, hopefully, and then we get this beautiful demand zone here. All right, with the market never tap in, we get inefficiency and we get demand. So I'd expect price to drop into for yes. I go look for sell opportunity. Okay, and you see 4-hour time frame too. Market don't tap into supply area, right? And we get the market to create 4-hour supply here, where the market not tap into right now. So for me, that will mean one thing: if market no tap into supply, it can begin to sell. It means say sellers are in control of the market. That's why, right? Sellers are in control because the market they come from supply area, right? And market no retest them. So even if market retest them, it doesn't matter because for me it could be sell. I'll look for sell opportunity, and in this case, I get this guy for here. So I see market, the short-term trend and the or for the side the weekly, I mean the daily, and the forward time frame now down as it be for here. Like so we get 50% from here, we get lower low because the market take out this low for here, right? And see even for here too, and break structure trend. So now double we get like that, the opportunity to sell the market. So me as a day like this now, so and this na retracement trade, not be extension trade, na retracement. This market already happen like this, that's so na retracement trade. So if I go sell this market, for me, I will sell like this bearish engulfing candlestick will happen back in time here. Stop loss will go for here. I will reach the next demand area. So the next demand area could be somewhere here, and my take profit target will be down right here, like this. Oh man, for me, in my own personal humble opinion, what did happen to my system again this morning? Network. Let's go. Sorry, man, excuse me. I want quickly rush. Close this. Suppose clean up this guy. Quick. So retracement trade, I will risk less, sell, stop loss goes right here, and take profit targets just right here. Alright, here we go. On the forward time frame. Okay, that one don't set like that based on retracement trade strategy, right? Okay, EuroCAD weekly time frame. EuroCAD is still buy, but so far the market come down, come here, you know, the weekly doji candle, and expect market to drop here. Market there for key level of resistance. As you can see, we get multiple rejection area here, so market there for resistant area, and they try to sell. Okay, and the short-term trend now up, but the real short-term trend, we will not tell lies, give ourselves now this one 50% to the downside, right? From here we get lower low because market will higher highs, then we make lower low. So all of these higher highs come from the smaller time frame. I mean market structure on the smaller time frame, and the short-term trend, inner structure short-term trend. Okay, so we get weak higher highs and weak lower lows, or weak higher highs and weak higher lows. Now be this one where we see so, right? So once market don't reach resistance, market supposed to create come make low, and we get demand for that place right there. So that's short-term trend one I see for the monthly, for year, for the daily. The market structure, we get extension, retracement, extension. So after an extension trade, retracement will come, and so far maybe not the retracement be so we'll continue to see the market to push go up. But I get for here we get supply and hopefully the market it tap into supply, it tap go on before it come down, and now it tap again. We get demand for here, so the market never retrace to that demand area. Hopefully we'll see if it will retrace come there before I go buy. I go like buy this market go up. Alright, but for me I don't want to buy yet, so I have to wait. So if you want to buy, make you buy wisely according to your strategy. But for me, this market now still buy. But I would like to buy the market from inside here for me. And UCHF, finally the market don't come down. So I'd expect I say it will come down, reach this level, but come down, reach this level. Now I don't do buy, go up. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the signal to buy with this. So hopefully by next week we won't continue to see. Yes, next week. Yeah, hopefully I'll buy this market next week, because right now they see candlestick signal pattern, strong one. Yeah, pricing this 2 candle and pricing. So you see from down here the market, the market gap from here, gap come down. It can't push go inside deep. So once the market accomplish this 50%, more than 50% area of this candle like this, if it close like this, now pricing candlestick pattern formation, 2 candlestick pattern for key level of support. So by next week I will wait for just pull back a little bit, then I'll continue. I will buy the market go up when I get. So a signal to buy with that daily, not be this one. I don't come out and Bollinger Band I they use. So right now the Bollinger Band they tell me, even for the daily, hey Julius, I don't buy this market too. I not check, not buy this market go up, because this one too form, pricing and outside bar candlestick pattern. This engulf this one, but first gap come down before I can begin to push to up. And this Bollinger Band they serve as dynamic support together with this support consolidation support area. So now better buy now they see. So I don't miss this one. Don't miss this one for now. But no sweat and Julius. So hopefully we'll see price push go up. So next week I'll see what I go do with that. So hopefully next week now still buy for me. Buy. Scarlett says, are you recruiting? Yes. Coastal Capital they recruit. Coastal Capital is recruiting. Thanks for the comments. Yes, Coastal Capital is recruiting. So you can check the description below and try to connect with Coastal Capital. Alright, you're welcome, Scarlett Archer. That's a beautiful name. Alright, so okay, so yeah, I don't through with this one. Euro GBP, what's up? Euro GBP consolidation, the market don't break out of consolidation. Share the market won't begin the buy go up then. How do I apply? Alright, if you okay, I'm trying to see I can help you. Do you use Teams? Okay, let's do like this. You can connect by joining or sending a message through an email. You see an email, I guess you see an email on the description below. Go to the description below, check if you are going to see FX Boss email. Alright, and you can connect with FX Boss, so you can tell FX Boss you saw the video with JVAN FX right here on Coastal Capital. Alright, check the description below, you will see FX Boss email. Okay, then you send FX Boss email, send him a message. Alright, that's my mentor, you can send him a message. Alright, If you get it right, let me know you get it right. Okay, thanks very much, I appreciate. All right, so consolidation on the monthly time frame, weekly is a trend, and we get slight consolidation here. 1, 2, 3, hopefully double top, and the market will tap into supply here. So I roughly believe hopefully the market go, we get this guy here, we get, okay, you don't see any email. Okay, you didn't see any email. All right, I'm going to, I don't know my mentor's email off head, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get his email for you. All right, I'm going to get his email for you, and I can't do that right now. So what you're going to do is send me an email. That's my email. Send me an email, and I'm going to link you up with him. All right, thank you very much. So we get demand zone here. Buyers are in control of this market. We get demand zone for here too. It's not weekly, not daily. All right, so now market don't hit supply before it sell. It don't hit supply again, so hopefully I expect them to begin to drop if the consolidation will continue. But if the consolidation will continue, the market going to push up. Within the daily, monthly candle they talk. The monthly candle are bullish, right? And bullish. So right now we get higher high. The market don't make higher high for here, right? The market don't make higher high like this, and still they go up. So this bullish candle they tell me buy, but we get monthly resistance pivot point here, and we get supply too for here. So we'll see how the market will play out. So anyhow, we will have to check the smaller time frame to see who they in control of the market. I just sent my email. You not seen my email? I typed it. Maybe you just give it a second. My email is there, JVAN FX. Alright, if you cannot see my email, I don't know why, but let me call it for you. You can write it down. JVAN FX. JVAN FX25 at gmail.com. Alright, that's my email. JVANFX25 at gmail.com. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, so this one day somehow for me. So today clear. If the consolidation will continue, I would prefer to sell. And so far for here, I will sell based on according to my strategy. Yeah, I'll say according to my strategy. So right now, I will just stay out the watch till next week. I'll see how the market will play out. It will JPY. The market still they buy. It don't the breakout of supply for here. Still they buy. Still they buy. Still they buy. Crazy market, huh? I don't know how the market won't play out. I don't know how it won't go, but so far now we see for here. JVAN FX at JVAN FX 25 at gmail.com. Yes, this is right. You are right. Yeah, this is the way to write my Gmail. Alright, JVAN FX25 at gmail.com. Alright, thank you very much, Scarlett Archer. Connect with me and I'll link you up with my mentor. Alright, okay. Right here, right now, this one, I stay out. If you are buying these markets, buy wisely, risk less, because that market now sell what you expect. Alright, and this one too, I'd expect a pullback to this level because I get demand for here. I get demand here, and then so far the markets go up. I expect them to pull down here. It don't test demand for here, and now it also come supply weekly. This is the supply area here, and it don't test supply. So hopefully we will see price begin to drop down. Hopefully, right? Yeah. All right, my time is up, and I don't want to go more than this. I still expect this market to buy for even next week here, because bearish, like I said, the only thing we will change this market now, bearish engulfing, as in like we will change the direction of this move now. Bearish engulfing candlestick based on what I don't see so far, and beautifully okay, wisdom, are you the one that sent me an email? Because I just received an email right now. If you are the one, when I'm done I'll respond to you, okay? Alright, so all these my support and resistance pivot point from the monthly time frame, including the weekly so far, including demand here. So the market is expecting demand right now. You can see that here. What are the requirements and how many years of experience do they need? And are demo track record accepted? Yes, demo track record is accepted. I've texted you. Okay, I've seen your email. I'll respond to you later when I'm done. So that will be a discussion between you and the mentor, not me. Alright, me, I'm just a junior analyst and a student under Coastal Capital. Alright, so you and the mentor will discuss about that. He will explain everything to you. Alright, okay, yeah, I know you're the one. Alright, thanks. Okay, so we get demand for here. The market, they tap into demand, and back in time the market break, this Aramic candlestick, it break this high and retest, continue buying. So for me, I will continue to buy this market to go up. Yep, I'll be looking for a buy to the upside. And as you see, so the market already the buy, even myself I don't miss. So this na buy. So I'm going to be buying this one, buy. So hopefully I will end the stream, because 1-for-2 risk reward ratio. Yeah, you go. And let's see. So back in time, we get for the 4-hour time frame, we get this nice. Although the market tap into Ramon. So we get supply here with the market tap into back in time, but no sweat. Me, I go still take them like that. Here you go. And TP is going to go all the way 1-for-2. So perfect. All right. So guys, thanks for the update. You are welcome, always welcome. So Scarlett Archer, where are you from? Nigeria, Kenya? Which part of the continent are you from? Please, if you could be so kind, type it in the chat, on the comment section. I appreciate. So this is Coastal Capital with you guys here in Coastal Capital JVAN FX. So like I always tell una, make una trade according to una strategy, risk disclaimer. Alright, trade according to una strategy. And so far I dey appreciate the fact say I see some few people with the comments and try to connect with Coastal Capital. I really appreciate now. There's much to learn, and I have a lot to offload right here on YouTube under Coastal Capital for honor. Alright, so I will really appreciate now if you never subscribe, make una subscribe and make una share, and also make una like to help the algorithm to improve the stream. Alright, so now here we are go stop. Hopefully next week Monday we will continue from where we stop. Alright, so make una take care, make una enjoy our weekends, and make una trade wisely and according to the strategy as always. I remain on a junior humble technical analyst under Coastal Capital inside YouTube here. For now, una take care.